In today's lesson, we're going to be working with number patterns to 120. We're going to be finding missing numbers in a pattern by adding or subtracting. In order to find the missing numbers, we have to first determine whether the pattern is an adding pattern or a subtracting pattern. If it's an adding pattern, the numbers are growing or counting higher. If it is a subtracting pattern, the numbers are smaller or counting backwards. So first we have to determine if this pattern here is an adding pattern or a subtracting pattern. So help me count it. 50, 55, 60, 65. Are we going up or are we going down? Do we call it an ascending pattern or a descending pattern? That's right, it's going up. So we call that an adding pattern. So if we're going to figure out how much we're adding, we'll have to start with the first number and count up to the second number to find out how much we're adding each time. So help me do that. You grab the 50 and then you count up to see how many you add to get to 55. So grab your 50. 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55. So we added 5. So this is what we call an add 5 pattern. So now that we know the pattern, we're going to fill in the missing numbers. So help me out here. 50, 55, 60, 65. That's right, 70. So now we're at 70, 75, 80. That's right, 85. Now we're at 85, 85, 90, 95. That's right, 100. Now we're going to be using this chart. Should look familiar to you. We're going to set it up the way we usually view our chart, starting on a 1. But you'll notice that I can scroll down and go with higher numbers as well. So we're going to go back and we'll still start with it as a hundreds chart. So it's from 1 to 100. And we're going to start with an adding pattern. Let's do an adding 2 pattern. So remember, you can start on any number that you want. It doesn't have to be starting on 2. We can start at any number. I'm just going to click 1. I'm starting on 45. So if I start on 45 and I'm going to add 2, you count as you go. You say 1, 2, tap, 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 1, 2, tap. So if I start on 45 and I'm counting by 2s, help me. 45, 47, 49, 51, 53, 55, 56, 59. So I want you to notice something. When you count by 2s, how many are you skipping in between? That's right, you're skipping 1. Just like when we did this in class, you notice it's always one number less that you jump or you skip. So let's try another adding pattern. How about if we go with a bigger number? What if we were going to do an add 6 pattern? So I'm going to pick a number to start with. Oh, here's 22. So remember, we're going to tap on the 6. So we say 1. I want you to notice this. I'm not counting the number that I'm starting on. I count my jumps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Tap. 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 So I'm counting by 6s. 22, 28, 34, 40, 46, 52. When I count by sixes, how many did I skip? How many did I jump? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See, our method still holds up. So you can do any kind of counting pattern you want. It can be an add pattern or a subtract pattern with any number. I'm going to erase that, and we're going to do a subtracting pattern. Let's do a subtract 5 pattern, okay? So if I am starting on 50 and I subtract 5, I'm going to count backwards 5. The subtracting patterns are a little bit harder. I'm going to show you a little trick with them. So I'm starting at 50. Help me count back 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, tap. 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 So if I'm counting backwards, we start here. 50, 45, 40, 35, 30. Now there's a trick with counting back patterns. The way to check if you've done them correctly is to then go and count them forward and see if you did it correctly. So let's try that. 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. Did we do it correctly? We did. Excellent job. Let's do another subtracting pattern, a -3 pattern. Oh, let's start on 27. So remember, a subtracting pattern, we count backwards. We don't count the number we start on, we count our jumps. 1, 2, 3, tap. 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 So we're counting backwards. 27, 24, 21, 18, 15, 12, 9, 6. Notice there's 2 in between. Excellent job on the adding patterns and the subtracting patterns. Now, I would like us to try something with some bigger numbers. I'm going to go down. Ooh, let's go. Here we go. We've got some good numbers here. We're going to pick any number and we're going to count by tens. Now, I know you're really good if you're starting over in the tens place here, but what if we pick another number randomly? How about 63? So remember, you're going to be counting 10 forward because we're adding 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Are you noticing a pattern? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What are you noticing? That's right, the tens place is changing. Make a prediction. Where will we land next? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Was your prediction correct? Good job. So remember, your 120 chart is a fantastic tool. And remember, in your virtual manipulatives, you've got options for number patterns on higher charts like this one, okay? Be sure to access your virtual manipulatives. Now we're going to put on our thinking cap and solve a problem. You ready for the problem? Make a pattern of 5 numbers. Make a pattern of 5 numbers. That's kind of a hard thing to understand what they mean. So they've started with 45 and they're saying, drop the 45 into this magic machine, and our rule is an add 3. So we're going to add 3 to 45, and out will pop another number. And then we're going to put that number here, and we're going to keep the pattern going. Are you ready? So I'm going to go ahead and write my 45 down because that's my starting number. That's the number we're putting into the magic machine. So 45 plus 3. So grab your 45. Let's add 3. 45, 46, 47, 40. That's right, 48. Now we have to add 3 to 48. Got your 48? Grab your 48. Let's count 3 more. 48, 49, 50, 51. Great job. Okay, I'm going to let you grab that 51 on your own. Count up 3. What did you come up with? Did you come up with 54? Good job. Let's do the last one together. Grab your 54. 54, 55, 56, 57. Great job. Now you can come up with as many different patterns as you want. I'm going to give you a problem to do on your own. Are you ready? I'm going to change the rule. We're still going to be starting with 45, but I'm going to change the rule for you. Oh, it didn't let me do that. It's going to be an add 4 problem. I want you to do that on your own. Good job today. Good luck in your work.